Hack your brain with AI. Learn faster and smarter. Hello, Superlearner. Ready to turbocharge your brain and unlock your inner genius? Say hello to your new best friend, artificial intelligence. AI isn't just for self-driving cars and chatbots anymore. It's your ultimate sidekick for learning faster, smarter, and way more fun. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into how AI can turn you into a learning machine. First off, let's talk about personalized learning. Imagine having a tutor who knows exactly how your brain works, what you're great at, where you struggle, and how to explain things in a way that just clicks. That's AI for you. Tools like adaptive learning platforms use AI to tailor lessons to your unique needs. Whether you're mastering calculus, learning a new language, or diving into coding, AI adjusts the difficulty, pace, and style to match your brain. It's like having a personal Yoda, but without the weird syntax. Next up, spaced repetition. Ever crammed for a test only to forget everything the next day? AI's got your back. There are lots of apps that use AI to determine the perfect time to review material so it sticks in your long-term memory. It's like magic, but with science. You'll be recalling those French verbs or historical dates with ease, impressing everyone at trivia night. But wait, there's more. AI can also help you stay focused. Let's face it, distractions are everywhere. Enter AI-powered productivity tools that use brainwave matching music to keep you in the zone. It's like a caffeine boost for your brain, minus the jitters. And if you're a procrastinator, AI task managers like Todoist or Notion can break down your goals into bite-sized chunks, making even the scariest projects feel manageable. Oh, and let's not forget gamification. AI turns learning into a game, complete with points, badges, and leaderboards. Duolingo's AI-powered owl isn't just cute, it's a master at keeping you motivated. You'll be so busy earning virtual trophies, you won't even realize you're becoming fluent in Spanish. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to hack your brain with AI and unleash your full potential. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, AI is here to make learning faster, smarter, and way more fun. The future of learning is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's get started.